Hello students, today we are going to discuss about alkaloids, definition, classification, properties and its identification. The first one, definition. These are the organic products of plant origin, basic in nature and contain one or more nitrogen atoms, normally of heterocyclic in nature and have marked physiological action when administered internally. Second, classification. It is classified in basically three categories: true alkaloid, proto-alkaloid and pseudo-alkaloid. First one, true alkaloid. Nitrogen in the heterocycle. Right. The first one under true alkaloid, pyrrole and pyrrolidine. We can see the structure here. So example of pyrrole is hygrine, which is obtained from coca plant. It is having CNS stimulant activity. Example of pyrrolidine is tobacco. Nicotine is the constituents obtained from tobacco, which is having stimulant activity. The second one, pyridine and piperidine. Here we can see the structure, 6-member ring with the nitrogen atom. Under pyridine there are double bonds. So lobeline is the constituents obtained from lobelia, which is having spasmodic and asthma activity on asthma. The third one, pyrrolizidine. Here 5-membered ring with the nitrogen atom attached together. The example of senecionine and senecyphilline obtained from Senecio aureus, which is having activity on uterine stimulant. The fourth one, tropane. We can see one nitrogen atom in middle of this 5-membered ring. The examples of tropane alkaloids: atropine from dhatura, having parasympathetic activity; hyoscine from belladonna, having depressant parasympathetic activity; and cocaine from coca plant, having local anesthetic activity. The fifth one, quinoline. You can see the structure here, 2 6-member ring attached with nitrogen atom. Quinine and quinidine are the constituents obtained from cinchona plant, having anti-malarial and anti-arrhythmic activity. Sixth one, isoquinoline. Here we can see the iso position, the nitrogen atom in quinoline, same ring. Papaverine, narcotine and morphine are the constituents obtained from opium, having narcotic and analgesic activity. The seventh one, indole. We can see the structure of indole, one 6-member ring and one 5-membered ring attached with nitrogen and hydrogen atom. Ergotamine, obtained from ergot plant. Obtained from ergot, having oxytocin activity. Reserpine from Rauwolfia, having hypertension activity. Vincristine and vinblastine from vinca plant, having anti-cancer activity. So eighth one, imidazole. We can see in the 5-membered ring and the 2 nitrogen atom attached here in different position. Strychnine from Nux vomica, having insecticide activity. Pilocarpine from Pilocarpus, having eye pupil dilation activity. The ninth one, norlupinane. You can see the structure here, 2 benzene ring attached with 1 nitrogen atom. Cysteine, cystine from cysticus plant used in the treatment of tobacco smoking, and laburinine, laburnum plant. It is also used the same. The second category under classification is protoalkaloid. When the nitrogen atom is not a part of heterocycle, that is known as protoalkaloid. The first example, alkylamine. We can see the structure in alkylamine. One benzene ring attached with the hydroxyl group and NH. Ephedrine is the constituents obtained from ephedra plant, having allergic disorders activity used in that allergic disorder and also in asthma. The third one, that is pseudoalkaloid. These are acetate or phenylalanine derived products or terpenoids or sometimes steroids. The first one in pseudoalkaloid, purine. We can see the structure, 5-member ring and 6-member ring attached with different position in nitrogen atom, 4 nitrogen atom it is there. Caffeine is the example, obtained from coffee, is obtained from tea, which is having stimulant, CNS stimulant activity. And theophylline or theobromine obtained from coffee, used in case of asthma. Second one, steroidal. We can see this steroidal ring here. There are 4 rings, 3 right. And conicine obtained from curchi bark, having dysentery activity. And third one, terpenoid. The example of terpenoids are aconitine obtained from aconitum, having beta tonic activity. The second one which we are going to discuss is the properties of the alkaloids. So first, under property, state. What are the state of alkaloid? Most of the alkaloids are crystalline solids. Few are amorphous solids, like example imidine, and some are liquid. Under liquid, the volatile nicotine and non-volatile pilocarpine. Color. Majority are colorless. Some are colored. Example, colchicine, berberine. Berberine is having yellow color. Betanidine having orange color. Sanguinarine having copper red color. Solubility. Soluble in organic solvents and insoluble in water. Chemical properties. Most of the alkaloids are basic in nature due to the availability of lone pair of electrons on nitrogen. Right, so one or more nitrogen atom in their basic skeletal. No, so what is the availability of lone pair electron on the nitrogen atom? Depend on that. It is in, these are basic in nature. The basic character of alkaloids compound is enhanced if the adjacent functional groups are electron releasing. Right, when they are electron releasing, the functional group electron releasing group, then the basic character of alkaloid will be enhanced. But the alkaloid turns to be neutral or acidic when the adjacent functional groups are electron withdrawing. Okay, like amide group, which reduces the availability of lone pair of electron. Right, so the lone pair of electron, it is deciding the acidic, neutral or basic character of alkaloid. That comes under the chemical property. Next, which we are going to discuss, that are identification test of alkaloid. So all of you know that there are 4 types of identification test, that is known as general test. First, Dragon-Troff reagent test. Under Dragon-Troff reagent test, 2 to 3 ml of alkaloid solution, add few drop of Dragon-Troff's reagent that is nothing but potassium bismuth iodide solution, that is Dragon-Troff reagent. It gives orange brown precipitate, that is the conformation of alkaloid. Second test, Mayer's reagent test. 2 to 3 ml of alkaloid solution, add few drops of Mayer's reagent, that is nothing but potassium mercuric iodide solution, which gives a white brown precipitate, that is the confirmation of presence of alkaloid. The third one, on 2 to 3 ml of alkaloidal solution, add few drops of Hager's reagent, which is saturated picric acid. It gives yellow precipitate. The fourth one, Wagner's test or Wagner's reagent test. On 2 to 3 ml of alkaloid solution, add few drops of Wagner's reagent, which is nothing but iodine and potassium iodide solution. It gives reddish brown precipitate. So this is the identification test. So here we completed about the definition, classification, properties and identification test of alkaloids in short form, right? Further you need to refer the books for deep knowledge. Thank you.